It's a 2016 Honda Civic sedan. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Motor Trend adds, inside, Gen 8's twin-tier dash was kept, albeit significantly revised to carry on the well-liked and well-established design theme. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton's Volkswagen of Orlando today. We're conveniently located at 12700 East Colonial Drive in sunny Orlando. We look forward to serving you.